Greetings. Today I'm going to talk about how you can use ChatGTP to articulate things that may be complicated for you to speak over voice or express in your writing. In this case, the information is in my brain and I need a simple way to get it in writing and then be able to speak it to a human. The bot is going to help me explain the difference between 2.4 gigahertz bands and 5 gigahertz bands in Wi-Fi applications in enterprise environments. As we can see, we've typed our query into the chatbot and it's given us a output that is compare and contrast in nature. It hits all the key points. 5 gigahertz is faster. There's more channel selection, less range than 2.4 gigahertz. And so that's the nuts and bolts of it. And now we can start our email in a Google document to that user and then paste this answer in and then edit it so that it makes sense for the context we're using. So typically ChatGTP, it's not very well grounded. So as the user, you're going to need to edit the output to match the use case and the context for the person you're sharing this information with, whether that's over writing or voice. Let's go ahead and use the power of editing to speed this up. So we'll just look at this at 4 times speed. And in this case, I'm just, again, I'm writing my introduction for this email, copy and pasting ChatGTP output, doing Command-Shift-V to paste the output as the text matching the format of this Google document, which is normal text, Arial font size 11. And this output's meant for a home environment, so I'm going to change it a little bit. In this case, I'm going to change, just restructure this sentence here. In this case, I want the structure to match that of the needs of an enterprise environment and not of a home environment. So I'm changing this sentence, and then actually after the screencast, I changed the sentence that talks about microwave ovens and baby monitors to talk about endpoint devices that are in enterprise environments, such as cell phones, watches, computers, tablets, etc. The point is to always change the output to match the needs of your environment or your specifications or your paper. It's never going to get it dead on. Let me know how you're using ChatGTP in the comments below. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.